Julie Robb, the Attorney General's appeal keeps the commission's order in place. All signs indicate they won't be able to sell beer on Monday morning. It's a matter of timing. The clock and the calendar are working against the store owners in White Clay. Attorney General Doug Peterson swinging back, filing an appeal that may reverse what the Lancaster County judge set back in motion Thursday morning. Hobie Roop is the Liquor Commission's attorney.
As of now, legally, I believe the commission's order is the order in place.
Just last week, the Liquor Control Commission ruled the liquor licenses for the 4 stores in White Clay could not be renewed.
There's a lot of thought, a lot of time, and a lot of hours went into this. We felt we gave a proper ruling.
But this morning, the Lancaster County District Judge called the commission's decision arbitrary and unreasonable and beyond its authority, ordering the commission to allow the stores to renew their licenses.
Can't ignore the law. They have to treat these people, my clients, like anybody else, regardless of the political climate.
Native Americans who've been fighting to close the beer store say the Liquor Commission heard their pleas.
This commission actually looked at our case through a human perspective, like, this isn't right. So I have hope for that.
State Senator Tom Brewer shares that hope and believes in the commission's ruling.
That's what they're there for, is to look at these kind of situations and make a determination whether or not they should be able to continue to do it.
But as for what's next,
I don't know what's going to happen. As you can hear, my phone's ringing off the hook, so I don't know what's going on. Since the state is appealing the judge's ruling, the case goes to the Nebraska Court of Appeals, but it will not meet tomorrow. Friday is Arbor Day, a state holiday, and since the White Clay liquor licenses expire Sunday night, it appears the stores will be out of the beer business on Monday morning. That's at least until the appeal can be heard and ruled upon, but lawyers are still working on exactly what may happen. Reporting tonight, Taylor Barth, KETV News Watch 7.
Okay.